If you're looking to update your old bathroom, sometimes it's best to start from the ground up, but you don't want to break the bank. If you don't know where to start, Super Home Surplus is here to help.
Well, I've got a bathroom in the house that I want to gut from top to bottom and just start from scratch and don't really know where to start.
All right, well, you found the place. And we have from top to bottom pretty well everything you need. We have a really nice showroom with different tile options to look at, vanities, lighting, mirrors, a lot of different things we can show you to choose from.
Super Home Surplus makes things easy, and they can help you with all the options. They walk you through the range of in-stock and special order items. They can even guide you through different styling options that will look best for your home or personal taste.
Some marble looks, some more of the sediment looks, that'll be the straight lines, really clean, neat looks. We've got some really modern looking bathtubs, freestanding tubs. That's one of the most popular things right now. We've got those.
Perfect.
Maybe you don't want a full remodel, or you just want to update a few things. No problem. They can help with that too. With so many options in stock, some projects can be complete before you know it. Bring in your photos, and Super Home Surplus staff is more than happy to get you on the right path.
I'm not sure which direction I want to go just yet, style-wise, so I would love to have some help.
There's a lot of good help that is able to show you a lot of different options to choose from.
Super Home Surplus wants you to ask questions, so feel free to stop by the store or give them a call. And good luck with your indoor projects.
Super Home Surplus, they have a store in Madison and in Bowling Green. You can stop by and check it out. Visit superhomesurplus.com for more information.